Hello friends, so do you have Windows 10 or even before that and you're trying to upgrade to Windows 11 for free or maybe paid? So this is the link you have to go and then pretty much you have to go to the PC health check. So just copy this PC health check and go to your search bar here, and pretty much you have to type this, and then once you type it, it will come on top. So now here you can see that whether your hardware support the software or not. So basically Windows 11 is supported by your hardware or not. See, you have to go here and check now. Once you click the check now, you can see that everything matches on my PC, but there is one element which is not actually eligible for Windows 11 upgrade. That is my processor. So this processor which I have in my PC, uh, Core i7-7700HQ, is not supported by Windows 11, so I'll be not able to update. So this is something you have to keep in mind when you're trying to update your PC to Windows 11. Go to this app and check your eligibility of your hardware first, and then you can upgrade for free for some device, or if it's uh, professional version or something, then you might need to pay. But yeah, thanks for watching.